Hello FPL lovers, welcome to this channel. Today I'd like to talk about the best possible 11 that you can play the first match week of this year's Premier League. First of all, Sanchez is a better option. If you go for Martinez, you know Martinez will have tough fixture after 3 game weeks. And Martinez price is 5.5 whereas Sanchez price is 4.5. so Sanchez is the best option. Sanchez may get you at least 6 points equal to greater than 7 or 8 points if he can save a penalty. So Sanchez is a better option. Now look for Target. So Target is someone that he can score from long run shoot. Also he can provide crosses. So if you choose Target against Watford, surely he is going to provide assist for his team. Now look for Shaw. Shaw is the best option for Manchester United when you are talking about their defensive things. Luke Shaw is going to provide crosses to the defensive lines of the opposition. He is going to crosses from the corners. So there is so many chance for Luke Shaw to score or give you more than 6 points in a single game. So next, go for the new signing for Liverpool. It's Tsimikas. He is going to be a dark horse this year. Mark my words, he is going to be a dark horse this year. You know the reason why? Because the Robertson is injured this year. Okay, so it's very much likely that Tsimikas is going to play up front from the first match. You can keep an eye on him. So he's probably give you at least 6 points. So Mahrez. You know what? Kevin De Bruyne is injured. So Pep Guardiola may like to play Mahrez on the first game. I would say for 3 to 4 games or 3 to 4 weeks. So Mahrez can give you assist and a goal chance. His cross is very dangerous for a player like Sterling, and from his crosses Sterling can score. So you can get at least 6 to 8 points from Mahrez. Salah. Every fantasy Premier League player loves Salah. Salah can give you 6 points to 8 points, and if you choose Salah as a captain, you get the double points. So if he scores 8 points, you can get up to 16 points. Rafinha is also dark horse. From the last year's gameplay, we can understand this year Leeds going to play far better than what they played last year. Rafinha is someone who can give you 8 to 10 points in a single game, but there is a slight problem that might occur if Manchester United going to play more solid defensive lines. Rafinha may get at least 1 assist for Bamford or for Stuart Dallas, for anyone else, but there is a likely chance that Rafinha may score more in upcoming days, so you can keep an eye on him. Now look at for Fernandes, though his form was not that good in the Euro League, but Fernandes is one who is always going to play well for Manchester United. All we know that there is some players who play far better in their league compared to their national team. So Fernandes, you can keep eye on him. There is a probability that he can score up to 6 to 8 points against Leeds. And you also know he is a player who is going to take corners, who is going to take penalties. So if Manchester United wins penalty, there is a 4 points plus for Fernandes. So here's the chance. Why is Firmino? If you look at the Liverpool's preseason matches, Firmino is someone who scored a lot, who really played a lot. Though fantasy Premier League players don't like Firmino a lot, as he cost £9 million or £9, so nobody likes him that much. But you know what? Firmino can give you 1 assist and 1 score. Remember, he can give you 1 assist and 1 score for the first match. So there is a possibility that Firmino can give you from 8 to 10 points. Though there is a slight chance that he can give you at least 6 points, but I think for the first 3 game weeks, he is going to give you 8 to 10 points. Mark my words. Antonio, we all love on Antonio when he is fit. If he is not fit, that we all know that he will not play well, but when he is fit, mark my words, what a player he is. Surely he will give you 6 points. And last playing 11, Tony is the one you can go for. Though most of us do not like newly promoted striker from a newly promoted team, but when he's playing against Arsenal, Arsenal's defensive line is not that much well as it was before in previous 7 or 8 years back. Tony is someone who is surely going to score against Arsenal, and he is going to give you at least 6 points. In the bench you can use Foster. In the bench you can have Amati. You know Amati is a player. His value is 4 million. His value will likely to increase up to 4.2 4.3 million in coming 4 game weeks, 5 game weeks. So he's a better option to use in the bench. Ben White, you know White is someone who may give a better value in Arsenal's starting lineup, so he will be a better option for you. And for Bissouma, for 4.5 million bench player, without Bissouma you cannot keep any player. Okay, so through these 11 players I can guarantee you can get from 60 point up to max 76 points through using this lineup without using bench boot, free hit, triple captain. Okay, so to win FPL you need 2500 points. I'm not talking about the last year's FPL, as there are so many games in a single game week, but for every single year you may likely to need about 2500 points to win Fantasy Premier League. If you divide this by 38 weeks, per week you need 65 point something point, so you need about, I say, 66 points in every game week. Look at this starting lineup, look at this bench. This is the best 11x, this is the best playing 11 you are going to get at least for first 3 weeks. This playing XI will give you more than 66 points at least for 3 game weeks without using any kind of boost, hit and triple captain. So please keep ensuring you are following my channel. You will get notification and keep watching for updated. And the highest point getter, listen carefully, the highest point getter of every game week will get up to 100 taka as reward. So please subscribe and keep your eyes on this channel. So please support me and keep watching. Thank you.